Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove audio into Word document offline. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and we can see here a audio file. Now we click the audio, double click and open it. And we can see here this is an audio file. We click the audio file and press delete on our keyboard. Now we can see here we remove this audio into this Word document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.